chilly out today. Testing the camera gear, the audio quality, and it's windy. Man, these people don't know how to drive. Back right out in front of that truck. Well, the speed limit, or the speedometer, is off about 5 on the Hawk compared to the GPS. I think I just went all the way down through there with my turn signal on. Put a stage 4 Motocults kit in this, and I've only got about 20 miles on it, so I was trying to break it in a little easy before hammering on it. Yeah, 10 miles off. GPS says we're going 43. Tell you what, that Honda, I like that Honda windshield. Yeah, so this is for a rally, CRF 300L. Let it idle there for a little bit. But I got these from Motocults, Amazon. the crash bars, got the highway pegs on it, and I got a stage 4 kit. I kept the airbox on for doing some off-road. It turned out pretty good. I got the oil cooler down in there. I had to make a bracket. I kind of wanted it up out of the way. Try to keep some of the mud off on it, but it seems to work pretty good anyway. Yeah, I don't know how much I'm going to ride today. It's pretty cold. My riding suit hasn't got here yet, so I kind of just wanted to get a few miles on it. It's supposed to be in the 50s next week. Well, Friday it's supposed to be 68. I was going to go do a one-night camp trip way over there, but I just wanted to get some miles on this thing and run it. Pretty good now. Man, it's windy. The side wind's moving my head. That's crazy. It's cold. Well, it's a good test anyway for the camera gear. Bike seems to run really good. I got a different sprocket coming Friday. I put it on there, give me a little more top end. I got plenty of power for what it is. Good clear day today anyway. Yeah, our elevation here is 4,500 feet. Kind of curious to see when you get up 10,000 how it runs with it being carbureted. Yeah, it had 190 miles on it when I did the stage 4 kit.